Good day everyone. In this video, I will be giving extra examples on integration concepts and formulas. So part 1. So examples will be on the simple power formula and general power formula. So first we have 3 examples for simple power formula. So we must integrate the following functions. So we have here integral of 3 over x dx. So this will be equal to 3 integral of 1 over x dx. So this is equal to 3 integral of, we will just be rewriting this in exponential form. So x raised to negative 1 dx. So if we recall, the formula for simple power formula is integral of x raised to n dx. So we're just recalling is equal to x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So this formula is applicable for functions which has any number or any exponent n except for negative 1. So this will not we will not be able to solve this using simple power formula. So we have here another equation for solving functions which has an exponent of negative 1. So that that formula is this one. So integral of 1 over x or 1 over x dx or x raised to negative 1 dx. So this is just the same. So our formula is ln of x plus c. So that will be that is what we will be using right here. So this will be equal to, continuing to solve this, 3. So the integral of x raised to negative 1 dx will be ln of x plus c. So this is our final answer right here. So next problem, we have integral of, let's just rewrite this, integral of x cubed plus 5, wait, sorry. So x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4 all over x squared dx. So this will be equal to integral of x cubed over x squared plus 5x squared over x squared. Wait, I'm sorry. So 5x squared over x squared minus 4 over x squared dx. So we can integrate them separately. So this will be equal to integral of x cubed, or we can first simplify them. So let's first simplify them before integrating them separately. So simplifying, we get x cubed over x squared will be x. Right, sorry. So x cubed over x squared will be x plus 5x squared over x squared will be just 5 minus 4 over x squared will be 4 over x squared, so dx. So this will be equal to, we can integrate them separately. So this will be equal to x integral of x dx plus integral of 5 dx minus integral of 4 over x squared dx. So next, we can take out the constants and make this in exponential form, or x raised to n dx form, so we can integrate them easier. So this will be equal to x dx integral of x dx plus, taking out the constant here, so 5 integral of dx minus integral of, taking out 4, so minus 4 integral of, making this in the form x raised to n dx, not 1 over x raised to n dx. So this will be equal to x raised to, since it was a denominator, we want this to be a numerator, so this will be x raised to negative 2 dx. So next, we can already integrate them. So integrating x dx, this will be x raised to, x right here has an exponent of 1, so x raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 right here plus 5. So we can imagine here a x with an exponent of 0, because any number raised to 0 is 1. So right here is x raised to 0, so 5 here will be 5x raised to 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1 minus 4. So the exponent of x here is negative 2. So this will be x raised to negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1. So we can just add the constant for all of this at the end after integrating all of them. So plus c right here. So simplifying, we get here x squared over 2 plus right here 5x, so minus 4x, negative 2 plus 1 will be negative 1 over negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 plus c. So simplifying further, we have here x squared over 2 plus 5x, so negative and negative will be positive, 4 over negative exponent will be right here, so plus c. So this is our final answer. So next we have here integral of t square root of t plus square root of t over t squared dt. So this will be equal to, we rewrite this in exponential form. So this will be equal to integral of t. This has an exponent of 1, this has an exponent of 1/2, so this will be 3/2 plus e, this has an exponent of 1/2 over t squared dt. So dividing them by t squared, we will get integral of t raised to 3, sorry, we will get t raised to 3 over 2 all over t squared plus t raised to 1 half over 2 dt. Integrating them separately, we will get, or simplifying them first. So this will be t raised to 3 over 2 over t squared will be t raised to negative 1 half, and this one will be, wait, this is supposed to be t squared, not just number 2. So t raised to 1 half over t squared will be t raised to negative 3 over 2 dt. So this will be equal to integral of t raised to negative 1 half dt plus integral of t raised to negative 3 over 2 dt. This will be equal to, so now we can integrate them. So first we have here t raised to negative 1 half dt. So we just add 1 to the exponent. So t raised to negative 1 half plus 1 over negative 1 half plus 1 plus t raised to negative 3 halves plus 1 over negative 3 halves plus 1. So simplifying here, we get this one will be t raised to 1 half over, so this one will be positive 1 half plus this one will be t raised to negative 1 half all over negative 1 half. Oh, I forgot the c. So plus c right here and plus c right here. So never forget this c. So always remember. I keep forgetting the plus c right here. So next, simplifying again, we have here t. This will be, putting this in exponential form will be square root of t over 1 half plus this one will be 1 all over negative 1 half square root of t plus c. Simplifying the 1 half right here. So this will be 2 square root of t. So negative, and this one is positive, so meaning this will be negative. So minus 2 over square root of t plus c. So this will be our final answer right here. So for general power formula, I have here 3 examples for you guys. So let's try to integrate the following. So we have here first integral of t minus 2 over t squared minus 4t plus 3 dt. So this problem will let another variable be equal to a function in this problem. So for this problem, I will let u be equal to t squared minus 4t plus 3. So after letting u be equal to this function, we can now differentiate this equation. So this will be du, and this one will be, so 2t, and this one right here will be minus 4, and this one plus 3 will be 0. So we have here, we differentiated this in uh, the variable t, so we will have here dt. So next we can divide both sides by 2, so we will get du over 2 equal to t minus 2 dt. So we can now substitute this right here and this right here to the original equation right here. So integral of t minus 2 over t squared minus 4t plus 3 dt. We will get here, this will be equal to substituting. So we have here t minus 2 dt is equal to du over 2. So t minus 2 dt, this one right here, is equal to du over 2. So we have here du over 2 all over t squared minus 4t plus 3 is equal to u. This one right here is equal to u. So from this equation, so this will be u. So we can take out the constant 2 here, so we can divide, or we can integrate just the variables. So this will be equal to integral of du over u, sorry, so this will be du over u. So integrating this is just simply u raised to negative 1 du, and integrating functions which has an exponent of negative 1, we cannot use the simple power formula. Instead, we use the logarithmic formula. So this will be equal to 2 ln of u plus c. So we cannot let this as our final answer because our problem was the variable in our problem was t, and our answer right here has a variable of u. So we can just substitute the u from this equation, which we let earlier. We let this one as u to get the final answer. So we will get here 2 ln of u right here is equal to this one u right here. So t squared minus 4t plus 3 plus c. So this will be our final answer. Next problem, we have here integral of dx over x plus 5. So for this problem, we let u be equal to x plus 5. So differentiating both sides, we get du equal to, so this one will be dx, and 5 right here will be 0. So du is equal to dx. So we can substitute this in our original equation right here. So integral of dx over x plus 5 will be equal to integral of, so dx is du, so integral of du, and x plus 5 is equal to u. So integrating du over u, this will be equal to ln of u plus c. So our original equation has a variable of x, so we must have a final answer with a variable of x. So this will be ln of u right here. We can substitute here x plus 5. So x plus 5, ln of x plus 5 plus c. So this will be our final answer for this problem. So last example for the general power formula. We have here integral of b squared, square root of b cubed minus 1 dv. So integral of b squared, square root of b cubed minus 1 dv. So we let here u be equal to v cubed minus 1. So differentiating, we get du equal to, this one right here will be 3v squared, and negative 1 will be 0, so this one will be dv. So dividing both sides by 3, we get du over 3 equal to v squared dv. So now we can substitute in the original equation, which was integral of v squared, square root of v, sorry, this one is x, square root of v cubed minus 1 dv. So this will be equal to, substituting this, so v cubed, or I'm sorry, v squared dv right here, we can rewrite this as like this, v cubed minus 1 and v squared dv. So v squared dv right here is equal to du over 3, and v cubed minus 1 right here is equal to u. So this will be equal to integral of square root of u, and v squared dv will be du over 3, du over 3. So this will be our equation. So we can take out 3 or 1/3. So we will be only integrating the variable. So 1/3, taking out the constant. So we are left with square root of u du. So square root of u is equal to u raised to 1/2. So u raised to 1/2 du. So now we can integrate this. So integrating, we get this one will be equal to 1/3. Integrating u raised to 1/2, we get u raised to 1/2 plus 1 all over 1/2 plus 1 plus c. Right here. So we can simplify this. We get 1/3 of u raised to 1/2 plus 1 will be u raised to 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2, so 1 half plus 1 plus c. So simplifying further, we get 2 over 3 times 3 is 9. So 2 over 9, u raised to 3 over 2 plus c. So again, simplifying further, we get 2 over 9 square root of u cube plus c. So our answer right here is still has a variable u. So our problem was it had a variable v. So we have to substitute. So substitute u right here from u right here, which was v cube minus 1. So this will be equal to 2 over 9 square root of, so v cube minus 1. So u right here has an exponent of 3. So this has to be 3 plus c. So this will be our final answer for the problem. So that will be the end of the video. Thank you for listening.